Hello, this is Sarita, and I'm speaking to you today from Soulhenge, and I'm here to help you understand the truth about who you are. Now, I just wanted to have a quick conversation with you because I've noticed even more changes occurring around the theme of time, linear time. And I'm going to put a link up here to a video that I did a while ago, probably a few months ago now, where I was experiencing quite a lot of changes in relationship to linear space and time. And I was noticing that time was becoming, if you like, more vertical. And I was beginning to notice how time was layered, different moments in time were being layered on top of one another, and we were being granted, if you like, a natural access to be able to shift through those layers in accordance to what our resonant frequency was. So I'll put a link to that so you can go and listen to that. And I've noticed in the last literally 3 weeks some more shifts to time. And basically what's happening as we ascend into fifth dimensional unity consciousness, a higher level of reality, if you will, is that we are letting go of the bondage of linear time. And linear time is a bondage that we permissioned as a collective in this third dimensional reality. And we permissioned it, but at the same time, it has enslaved us massively. And we permissioned it because we, to all intents and purposes, wanted a term of measurement so that we could measure in relationship to contrast, which is what this dimension is all about, our progress on the evolution of our awakening. And so we use linear time to measure things in relationship to the past, the now, and the future, obviously. But what linear time has done is it has been a system that has been used by, if you like, negatively polarized energetics or systems or entities to enslave us. And obviously we've permissioned that, we're not victims. And time has really, if you like, disempowered us. We've given away our sovereignty to time. We're slaves to it. We're always running to catch time. There's never enough time. You know, we get up, we go to work, we're run by clocks. Everyone's wearing watches and looking at the time, and it enforces regulation on our lives, and in that it takes away our freedom, and it's very much enslaving and disempowering. And as we ascend into fifth dimensional consciousness and we are called to become more and more sovereign within that process, the system of linear space and time is leaving, because fifth dimensional consciousness does not have linear time. It rests upon the construct of the now moment. And as we become more sovereign and we become more empowered and we step into the God consciousness, which is what we are, we're going to begin to perceive and experience our natural ability to bend and change time according to our free will choices. You know, time is actually fluid, and the reality of it is that there is only the now. We only perceive that the past exists because we insist on pulling it into our now moment, ditto with the future. So time is actually fluid, and we can bend time according to our will. And I believe as we step more and more into working with expanded states of consciousness, we're going to begin to, as a collective, and more easily do things like time travel. And in my shamanic tradition, we use time anyway, all of the time. It's quite normal for us to use ceremony, to step back in time, to change something in the here and now. And it's a normal healing modality for us, actually. So being fluid with time is wonderful, and it really teaches us how truly powerful and sovereign we can be. And so what I've noticed in the last few weeks happening is an inversion to an old perception that I used to have about time. So once upon a time, when I wasn't having a very good time, I would notice that time went really slowly. So let's say I was really bored, I was doing something that I didn't like, I would perceive that it would seem to take forever. It would just go on and on and on. And at the same time, when I was having an amazingly good time out with my friends, partying or dancing, or being with people that I really loved, or chatting madly, or having a really great time, time would seem to speed up, and those happy moments would pass by like a flash. And that's an inverted construct of time, which was deliberately, again, created by us to enslave us. And what I've noticed is, and this has happened to me quite naturally, is that when I'm having a great time these days in the last few weeks, time is slowing down. So when I'm with a friend that I'm really enjoying and I'm having just a wonderful experience, I'm noticing that that experience is going on and on and on, and it's lasting. And as I'm, if you like, dreaming my way into that moment through the joy in my heart, through a higher resonance, that moment is going on and on and on. And by comparison, when I'm doing something that I don't particularly enjoy, that is a chore to me, it's speeding up and it's going faster. And this is just incredible, because the other thing about fifth dimensional consciousness is it's a state of resonant being, which is a higher level of reality, which is rooted in joy. It's really rooted in joy and gratitude and unconditional love. And these higher states of being allow us to disintegrate linear time. And so it's really exciting for me that this has just occurred naturally within my waking life without me really doing anything. And I just think it's a really exciting development. And I was talking to a friend of mine the other day, and she noticed the same thing. Time was just changing. It had inverted on its axis. And I really believe that we've been living in an inverted system for thousands of years. And that system is being totally slowly or quickly now, or out of time, being changed, inverted on its axes. And we're seeing a total inversion of everything that we believe to be true is now being inverted, and we're perceiving reality in a completely different way. And time and our bondage to it and the letting go of it and the becoming powerful enough to be fluid with time is coming into our manifested, daily experience. And so for me, that was a really exciting development. And so I wanted to share with you what's been happening to me and why it's happening. And I hope that you are experiencing some inversions of linear time as well, or it disappearing altogether from your day-to-day reality. So if you are, please leave me a comment so that we can all see what's going on in one another's lives, and we can keep encouraging each other on this extraordinary path of awakening into the truth of who we are as the conscious creators of our own reality. We have the power to bend time at will in accordance to how we think and feel. So thank you very much for listening. I hope this was interesting to you. Oh, and I also wanted to say, can you please like and share my videos, because YouTube are mucking with my channel. They are trying to, I believe, stop it being distributed so widely. So I really need your help now. If this message resonates with you, which I hope it does, then please assist me by getting the message out to more people and sharing more of my videos. It would be a real help to me, and hopefully to them as well. So thank you very much for listening. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon.